Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Greg Furman and these are the market positions for September the 7th, 2017. Now our first trade for tonight is going to be in the US energy sector. Now if we're looking at buying stocks right now, guys, the energy sector does appear to be a decent place to be doing that. So when we look at this, we're looking at the EnCana, the ECA stock. We've got a relatively fresh triple EMA cross coming off a known trend line support area just below the $9 per share. We've got our neural index turning higher. Our predicted short, medium, and long-term differences all breaking above the zero line with, of course, a crossover on the predicted MACD and a break of the 60 level on the predicted RSI at 66.4. So with all of these indicators lining up, it's telling us that this stock is likely getting ready to move higher. Now our individual crossovers, our short term looks very good, medium term looks excellent, and so does our long term, with a lot of activity taking place right around this 919, 933 area with a pretty strong close of 951. So when we look at all of this, guys, for tomorrow's trading, all we have to do is then go to that all-important daily report to fine-tune our entry point for tomorrow. So with the close of 951, we're looking for a minor pullback to 927. We will then target 971 on an intraday basis. Now, if this stock can get moving here, we could be looking at a bigger move. When we look at over the last 6 months, this particular stock has had a bumpy road, but it's been up as high as $12 per share. So if the energy sector continues to advance, then this could be a very good, not just the short-term position, but also potentially a very good long-term position. Now, when we look at stops, all stops here, guys, should be below $8.50 per share. In my respectful opinion, I would put them even lower. I'd put them down around probably $7.90 or at least the $8.20 mark. Give the trade a little bit of a chance to breathe here to see if there is any upside potential. Now our second trade for tonight is going to be in the Forex market. We're looking at the British pound Swiss franc. Now once again, this video is being produced at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday night, ahead of the European and the London Open. So when we look at this, currencies for the most part move within a range of 1% of their value on a daily basis. So when I look at this trade setup looks very similar to our energy stock. We've got a fresh triple EMA cross, our key pivot area 124.16 with a very bullish close of 124.68. We have our neural index turning higher, our predicted short, medium, and long-term differences above the zero line with a crossover on the predicted MACD. However, we don't have a confirmed break of the 60 level on the predicted RSI, but things definitely look pretty decent here. So when we check our individual crossovers, our short term looks good, medium term is excellent, but the long term crossover is the one that is catching my eye here. We have a lot of activity around this 123.95, 124.06 level. So from here, all we have to do is again utilize that all important daily report once we have confirmation from our main indicators. So for tomorrow, with again the close of 124.68, the time this video is being done ahead of the European and London Open, we let the market pull back within its daily range towards 123.85. Even the 124 area is fine. We then are looking for an advance towards 125.32. Once again, all of this is done ahead of the market. Nothing is lagging here, guys, just to be clear. So it's all about time frames. In the Asian session, there's very little movement. Europe, London, the North American session is when the Forex moves, and that's when we want to focus our attention. So we let the market move within its normal daily range, and then we sit and wait and let the market come to us. So when it comes down towards this area, very close to this level, we pick it up as a long, and again, we target that 125.32 area. When we look at our stops, the minimum stop here, guys, should be below 123, but this is a very choppy, volatile cross pair. You longer term traders, there's nothing wrong with putting your stops below the 122 area.